Hi, to check which app drains battery the most on Samsung Galaxy S25, just open Settings. From here, find Device Care tab, and after that, tap on Battery. Now, if you scroll a bit down, you would see this graph with battery usage. Tap on arrow and choose Since Last Charge. And as you can see, in my case, camera drains battery the most. You can tap View Details, tap on Camera, check total usage time, screen on, background, and so on. And if you scroll a bit down, you can enable background usage limits and put this app to sleep. So it can occasionally stop this app from running in the background. And also we got the option to disable the app at all from running in the background, which is put in deep sleep. But as you can see, it is unavailable for camera. So to find this feature, we can also go back in Battery tab, choose Background Usage Limits, then Deep Sleeping Apps. And as you can see, deep sleeping apps will never run in the background and may not receive updates or notifications. So tap on plus and choose apps you wanna add. And from here, I can actually add camera just like that. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.